Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky problems into simple solutions. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the Honeydue app: transactions not showing up. If you're using Honeydue for managing shared finances and suddenly your transactions are missing, you're not alone. This can be super frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through some easy fixes step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Honeydue app is up to date. Outdated apps often cause glitches like this. Head to your app store, search for Honeydue, and hit that update button if there's a new version available. Once that's done, restart the app and check if your transactions appear. Next, double-check your internet connection. Honeydue relies on a stable connection to sync data from your bank accounts. If your Wi-Fi is spotty or you're on mobile data with a weak signal, try switching networks or restarting your router. After that, give the app a quick refresh. Most apps have a pull-down refresh option. This can force it to reload the latest data. Now, let's look at your account settings. Sometimes, filters or categories might be hiding transactions. Open the app, go to Settings, and review any filters applied to your transaction history. Turn them off if needed. If you're connected to multiple bank accounts, ensure they're all properly linked. You might need to reconnect one by going to the Accounts section and following the prompts. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Honeydue, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS, offloading the app or restarting your device can help. This clears temporary files that might be causing the issue. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it's time to reach out to Honeydue's support team. They have great resources on their website or in-app help center, and you can submit a ticket with details about the issue. There you have it, a straightforward guide to getting your transactions back on track. Remember, staying proactive with app updates and connections can prevent these headaches. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.